If you are a trader who is still losing money trading the markets the wrong way, then this video is for you. Hey traders, welcome to We Trade Waves weekly Forex forecast. Guys, I really hope all of you are doing well and ready for today's video. This time I will start with gold and then I'll continue after that to DXY, Euro dollar, pound dollar, Aussie dollar, all the way down to US oil, Bitcoin and US30. All of you are new to We Trade Waves. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit the bell icon to not miss any update, tip or move, and make sure to keep watching till the end. We have a lot to cover. So for this one, without wasting any more time, gold, it was crazy last week. We've made a lot of money, guys, trading gold. So from here, we said market will push to the downside, and then after that, market will push back up. Alan, any proof for that? Of course, if I go back to our YouTube channel, this was last week's forecast, by the way. Thanks a lot, guys, for all of you are liking, commenting, and sharing on a weekly basis. So this one, and the comments. Thanks a lot. Like I said before, I'm trying my best to reply to every single comment myself, if possible, and then after that, I'll go back here and then I show you. Last week, we said to you, market will be falling, and then after that, from here, it will push back up. So we can say this is the before, and then from here, that's the after. Now, the big question is, Alan, what is the difference between the YouTube video and the Sunday session, private sessions for WTW Pro members? So now this is what I'll show you. So if I go back to this one, this was actually here last Sunday session, all right? So this session, it was covered by T here. As you can see, look at this one. This is Sunday session and this 25th of May. 2025, which means last Sunday. This is private session for WTW Pro members. Those of you who don't know about us, you can go to the website. All the links are in the description under this video and check the details by yourself, right? So for this one, I want to show you how we covered gold last week and what the levels we give and how market was reacted. This is T, by the way. It's actually my partner. We're actually doing these sessions for WTW Pro members, Sunday and Wednesday session by T every week. Look at this one.
Now, what you need to be doing here, what will be the next reaction level? If market comes to the downside here, give me something like this, I will be interested in somewhere here. 32.50. Again, if you're not in the buy, this is the level for you. If you're looking for a sell, I wouldn't. You want to do it? Go for it. I wouldn't.
So guys, you see that? If I go here now back, this is 32.50. Can you see this? That's the level. Exactly to the pip, exactly to the point. So on Saturday session, I said to you, market will be falling to the downside. On Sunday, we gave the level. This is the level given to WTW Pro members. It was spot on. It was crazy. Again, we've made a lot of money trading this one. If I go back to this one just to show you, this was actually what our members were saying inside the Discord community, description. And you read this one, it was crazy. A lot of people actually made money inside the community. I want to show you this one, guys, before I continue. This is actually our Discord community. You will get access to this one as soon as you join WTW Pro. And this is the success story in the last 7 days only. If you go back and watch some of our previous forecasts, you will see how many success stories we have. I'm sharing this on a weekly basis with you guys. Weekly basis. It's not actually if we're making money. Of course, we're making money from trading. We have showed you this one more than once here on YouTube. And the point is what our members are doing. And look at this one. Kunal actually passing this one last week. This is one. If we scroll down all the way, Mayor as well. If you read this one, look what Mayor was doing. And if I show you this one, look at that. So 4K profits here, as you can see. And if I show you this one as well, you can see this one, 4K profits. Fantastic, guys. Well done. Rohit as well. Rohit is actually, he's with us since the past few years. And he's passing more than one challenge. This is the last challenge. Actually, he was passing it. And look at this one. Fantastic, Rohit. Well done. You just need to keep the focus, all right? And Nikhil as well, he was able to make profits here. Look at this one. Total profits 10K. Nikhil. And if I scroll down as well, Abdul Nasir was able to make this much as well on his account. And these are actually just the latest success stories. If I will scroll up here, there is a lot of success stories, guys. I cannot cover them here, like I said. You can go back and watch some of our previous forecasts. You will see that by yourself. So lots of success stories. We cannot put them all anyway. You can see some here and some on the website. This is the Discord community. Again, you will get us to this one as soon as you join WTW Pro. This is our website. Again, all the links are in the description under this video. It's WeTradeWaves.com. As you can see, this is our official link. And if you want to join us, these are the features. You can check this one here and you can join by yourself. All what I want to say to you guys, do not waste another month. Do not waste more money. Invest in yourself and try to jump to the next level with We Trade Waves, all right? So our members are jumping to the next level. Do not waste more time. Join them, invest in yourself. That's the best investment you can ever make. Again, this membership is all you need to become independent, successful trader the soonest. The soonest means few months. It's not like 1 week, it's not 1 month. You need few months to study, to grasp the concept, and then to build your experience, all right? But again, if you do it with the community, joining actually successful traders is the fastest way for you to succeed in trading as well, all right? So again, back to gold, this was crazy. Oh, by the way, guys, not only regarding the Sunday session, if I go back to it just to show you also the Wednesday update. So Wednesday update, actually it was this Wednesday, 28. So look at this one. Sunday session, 25th. Apologies, guys, to take that much time, but this is important. And the Wednesday update is 28th of May, all right? So we have the Sunday session by T, the Wednesday update by T, and we have the day live sessions by the seniors. So look at this. This was the Wednesday update as well, just to show you how we are updating our members as well on a weekly basis. Look at this one.
Gold is pretty much getting ready for my push to the upside next. Again, it's not ready yet. It is getting ready, which means it is going to take some more time here, like doing something like this. Most likely towards the end of the week, one more drop before markets start to go to the upside. As I've given you the levels, stick to them if you can. 30 to 50 or very close to 50, 60 and 50, between those 10 points, you should be looking for a buy setup.
So guys, you have seen that even market was here. We said, guys, this is not ready yet. One more fall before the next upwave. This was on Wednesday. If I go back to it just to show you again the charts, market was here on Wednesday, right? We've got this corrective structure close to 3330 as well here, and then one more fall before the next upwave, 3250. So from here we said market is not ready. We need one more fall before the next upwave, and this was the push, this was the buy. Crazy one, right? So if till now you do not believe that wave analysis is the way for you to predict the next wave and give you the high accuracy, then again, nothing actually can let you believe in that, right? So we are here on a weekly basis every single week just to give you the updates. Anyway, guys, what's next for gold? For this one, we are still biased to the upside. Anytime market will give us a buy setup, we will go for it. If we get the buy setup, we'll go for the buy. And market is still bullish. This is the corrective structure that we were actually looking for. We have this drop, we have this expanding flat, one more fall, and the market start to push to the upside. After this upwave, market is correcting, market took liquidity under this low, and then we've got this upwave. Alan, what if market will give us a corrective structure drop before the next upwave? No problem. Even if market will go down to break this low, we will be looking, or we will be waiting for the buy setup under this low if market will break this low. This is not needed for the structure. Again, for gold, we are biased to the upside. Let's put it in this way. Anytime we get a buy setup, we'll go for it. And of course, the levels will be shared by T tomorrow during the Sunday session for WTW Pro members. If you would like to join, the link is in the description under this video. Do not waste more time and do not waste more money. DXY for this one, like I said to you last week, this was the level here, and this way we're waiting market to tap this level before the next buy. Market was here, we said one more drop before the next upwave. And any proof for that? Of course, I'll go back and show you the before for DXY. This DXY again, this is last week, as you can see 6 days ago here, right? So we said market will be falling under this low. This is the buy zone, and then after that market will push to the upside. So that's the before and that's the after. Crazy accuracy. So for this one, market went to the downside. We broke this level here, liquidity grab from this zone. We've got the buy setup, and this was the buy. Crazy buy to the upside. Very nice one. After that, market start to push to the downside. This is a sharp wave, guys, to the downside. So with this sharp drop, we might be having a massive structure after that. What do you mean by that, Alan? With this one, guys, market can give us a corrective structure, drop up, another fall before the next upwave. In all the cases, this will be a massive structure. Which wave to trade is up to you. For now, the first wave will be to the downside if we get a sell setup. If we get a sell setup here, first thing first, we will sell, and then after that, if we get the buy setup even under this low, we'll go for the buy. All right, so this will be a massive structure again. Which wave to trade is up to you. First of all, if we get a sell setup after a corrective structure, we'll go for it. And if market will break this low and we get a buy setup, we'll go for it. All right, again, the levels, the details will be shared by T tomorrow during this Sunday session. Also, guys, Sunday sessions are not only for gold. Also, we give the trades of the week. I'll show you this one. So that's the dashboard. Once you join WTW Pro, you will get access to the dashboard. That's the dashboard you'll get access to on top of the Discord community, the private group. Okay. So for this one, if we go to trades of the week, these are the two trades given last Sunday as well by T, and both of them went to the target. Aussie yen to the upside, it was perfect. And New Zealand CAD as well to the upside, it was great. So gold, Aussie yen, New Zealand CAD, and a lot of other pairs were moving as expected to the pip, to the point, to the level. Look at this one, Aussie yen. So this was the trade, just to show you the before and after. Let me go back to here. This actually New Zealand CAD, and here this AUDUSD to the upside. All right, so this AUDUSD and that's AUDUSD. Even here we set the levels, exactly the levels from where to where. Okay, so for this one, that's actually regarding this one. And New Zealand CAD as well, if I go to here, this New Zealand CAD before, and if I show you this one, this New Zealand CAD after market went to the upside, and this actually in profits. Okay, back to the XY, this is covered what's next. Euro dollar for this one, market went to the upside. After that, we've got the drop. And here market took liquidity under this low and under this low and start to push to the upside. What's next? If we get a corrective structure, up is the wave. Okay, so for euro dollar, I'm expecting market to push to the upside if we get a complete corrective structure and then a buy setup after that. After this up wave, we'll update you. All right, even this can be a massive structure. So that's why, guys, I suggest you to follow us on a daily basis. Again, guys, once you join, you'll get access to the daily sessions plus the Sunday and Wednesday sessions. So every day you get the update with us. So for this one, if we get a corrective structure and then a buy setup, we will go for the buy for euro dollar. Okay, pound dollar, again for this one, we said market will be falling first before any next structure. This is what I said to you last week, and that's pound dollar. Okay, look at this. We said to you last week, one more drop before any next structure. Guys, I'm showing you everything here in front of you with the levels, with the predictions, with the before and after. So only if you get one move, as example this one, I like to trade pound dollar. Most of our members, they know that. This more than 150 pips to the downside. It's crazy one. So if you know how to trade it, you can make a lot of money, 5 to 1, 6 to 1 in one single trade. Again, this was great trade. This was great move. And after that, market started to push to the upside. What's next? Here, market give us corrective structure up. We can get one more fall before the next up wave. In all the cases for pound dollar, I'm still biased to the upside, but the structure can get messy. If we get a messy structure in all the cases, if market give us a complete corrective structure, one more drop, from here we'll look for the buy setups. And if market give us a buy setup, this can take us all the way up to break this top once more. All right, guys? So which wave to trade, again, is up to you. If you're in the sell manual trade, if you want to wait for market to give you a corrective structure and you go for the sell again, is up to you. So this is what we can see based on the forecast and based on the prediction for the next move for pound dollar. Aussie dollar for this one, market actually again is, I'm not liking the structure, guys, by the way, but in all the cases, corrective structure drop, and after that, market will push to the upside. This is a buy setup. If we get any drop, it might be temporary, and then after this drop, any buy setup we get, we will go for it. I'm repeating, guys, the level will be shared by T tomorrow during the Sunday session. How to join it? You need to join WTW Pro to get access to the Sunday sessions, Wednesday session, the Discord community, the masterclass course, and all the resources for WTW Pro members. This is all what you will get access to once you join this one. Okay, so these are all the features, starting from the masterclass all the way down to all the strategies, to the Sunday sessions, Wednesday update, daily sessions, the robot, of course, and all the monthly live session recordings as well, which are these ones. Let me show you this one again quickly. Monthly from day one, all right? All of this is from day one. So here, these are the advanced part of weighted waves, guys, all right? So this way we are sharing the advanced part, how to add to winning positions, how to master investment, how to trade, how actually to master your mind as well here, and how to master yourself. All of these advanced stuff are in the recording of the monthly Q&A sessions. Back to the charts. New Zealand dollar for this one, this is up again. If we get a corrective structure, one more drop, up at the move, okay? So I'm still biased to the upside. Alan, can this one drop to break this low? Yes, it can. We're not controlling the market. We can be wrong. But at the same time, any buy setup we get after a complete corrective structure, we will go for it for New Zealand dollar. All right? Dollar yen for this one, market actually is, again, getting messy. After this drop, this is sharp up, sharp down. Every time we see sharp up, sharp down, this means a messy structure. This ARU weighted waivers, they know, and that's actually what you need to understand as well. If you are expecting market to go up, corrective structure up, and you see market giving you a sharp up, sharp down, this means this is a messy structure. What I mean by that here, this can give us a corrective structure, drop before the next up wave. In all the cases, for this one, we need a corrective structure, one more drop before the next move. Which wave to trade is up to you. For us, if we get a complete corrective structure and a sell setup, we'll go for the sell. All right? This for dollar yen. Dollar Swiss, again, is exactly the same. If we get a corrective structure, one more drop is very possible before any buy for dollar Swiss. Dollar CAD for this one, again, this is sharp move to the downside. So sharp up, sharp down, like I said, means messy structure. So corrective structure is expected, one more fall before the next up wave. That's why, guys, it's very important to focus on what we will share tomorrow regarding the trades of the week, what pays to focus on before you trade next week. The structure is messy. You know what's happening between USA and China again, between the tension regarding the trade war. So for this one, regarding the tariffs as well. So for this one, the market might get messier next week. You need to focus on few pairs. Those few pairs will be shared tomorrow by T during the Sunday session. Do not miss them. US oil for this one, this was the trade of the month. So for this one, after this up wave, market is correcting. You must be in profits. You must have made money. Like I said to you before, this was the expanding flat. It was crazy pattern, crazy setup for us. Our members who trade US oil, they made money trading this up wave. Now for you guys, this is a corrective structure and this can get messier. So corrective structure drop before the next up wave. This is a corrective structure, and then after that, market will push to the upside after the complete corrective structure. So if you get a buy setup somewhere here, you can go for it for US oil. All right. Bitcoin for this one, market is correcting to the downside. It's pretty normal. This is an uptrend, and this corrective structure can actually push to the upside from here, or it can give us a big corrective structure drop before the next up wave. In all the cases, up is the move. We are still biased to the upside for Bitcoin. The cryptocurrency also will push to the upside even after all-time high here. Market is giving us a corrective structure. This can be a small or a big one. It doesn't matter. All what it matters is for you if you know how to trade the next wave and how to maximize profits when you are right and how to minimize losses when you are wrong. That's the point, guys. That's why you need to join the right community, I would say, and you need to join the right mentors and the mentors that are able to teach you how to trade correctly. Like, again, if I go to the website, I suggest you to do that as well, and you go to YS page, you have a lot of success stories, guys. First of all, you start with this. Watch this forecast, just for you to know, all right? After that, you go to the YS page, which is this one, and you see what our members are saying. Here in this one, this as well, the proof that we are making money from trading. If you scroll down, there's some video feedbacks. We cannot put all of them, guys, because again, the website will be clogged, and then after that, we'll have a lot of things to do here and a lot of videos that will be posted. The website will be slow if you do that. We have a ton of success stories and a lot of feedbacks. If you scroll down, again, another feedback here, and again, more success stories here and here, and this one. And again, once you join, you will see a lot of them inside the success stories here. Like I said, to know if a group, if a community is successful, you need to know and you need to see what the members are doing. Our members are succeeding big time. A lot of success stories, guys, every single week I'm showing you. And if they can do it, you can do it too. If we can do it, you can do it too. Nothing can stop you guys as long as you have actually the intention, as long as you have the energy, and as long as you have the push and the will, all right? So if you have the passion to become independent, successful trader, I suggest you to join at least for the first month. Check us, test us. If you don't like, you can cancel anytime you want. There is no lock-in period, okay? And if you like, again, a lot of members who join, they stay because they see the value, all right? Anyway, for this one, corrective structure drop is possible before the next up wave. In all the cases, up is the move. Yeah, 30 for this one. Again, market actually is pushing to the upside. This is just an uptrend. For this one, we can get, again, this can get messier. In all the cases, corrective structure before the next up wave. This is up. The market will push to the upside, especially if they will be doing something between, again, China and US. Any news will push this to the upside for the stock market. Most of you have seen actually how the stock market have reacted to the upside, and if you bought, you must have made money in some of the stocks. We covered the stocks as well during the Sunday sessions and during the monthly Q&A session regarding the investments. So again, WTW Waves, guys, is not about Forex trading. WTW Waves is about trading overall. Forex, indices, crypto, commodities, and stocks as well, plus the investment. So it's all in one solution. If you want to achieve financial freedom, if you want to achieve passive income and achieve financial freedom the soonest, WTW Waves is the solution for you. If you don't want to join and you want to keep guessing the next wave or keep searching for, I would say, the holy grail strategy, the best trading strategy, quote unquote, and then the best way to get rich overnight, then I can tell you, you will not be able to do it. All right. So again, do not go and search for the fast way to get rich. Search for the best way to get rich. And the best way actually is consistency. Is first of all, learn how to trade correctly, join the right people, and then after that, you have all the time to trade. First of all, invest in yourself, learn how to trade correctly, and then after that, you have all your life to trade and make money like us and like our members. With that note, thank you very much, guys. I see all of you next Saturday. WTW Waves members, get ready for a new month of a lot of opportunities, and T will see all of you guys, WTW Pro members, tomorrow at 12 p.m. UK time. Do not miss this session. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.